Hey everybody, it's Jim King Piers. I'm out here in beautiful McLouth, Kansas. Got the owner of the home here. What we've got done here is we've stabilized the home so these people can live here and function while we've excavated on the outside of this old stone wall down to the bottom row of stone. It's quite a trench. Used to it though. And we kind of had a little meeting here whether we were going to remove this wall or not. I've got some other things I've got to do phase-wise, so we're going to work on this end wall and this other wall over here. We're going to tuck point and remortar it. And then I'm going to make a decision of whether we're going to start taking out this wall, because it'll come out fast. And we're going to come in here with a new footing and new concrete-filled CMU block wall. So stay tuned for us as we complete this job. Oh, right here we're going to go with 4 new footings with some vertical supports underneath the horizontal beam right there, and that'll help stabilize the house from future movement. So hang with us. King Piers out here in McLouth, 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.